All right, I came out to check on my time-lapse camera, and the thing had hatched, and I wanted you guys to see it. So it actually broke out of its shell, and that's what it looks like. He has changed from a grub worm into a flying cicada. And let's see if I can tell if it's male or female. I'm gonna say that's a male. The tail end looks unique if it's a male. But anyway, that's what they look like when they come out of their shell. And he's no longer a grub worm crawling around in the dirt. He'll be flying around in no time. He's gonna test out his new wings. All right. Wow, we caught it on camera. Didn't expect that. That's good. All right, take care everyone. Have a great night, and peace and blessings.